Hello and welcome. I'm Donnie Stone, Director of Training and Technical Publications here at Van Air Manufacturing, a Lincoln Electric company. When it comes to supplying mobile power, nothing compares to the reliability and versatility of Van Air's vast product line. Today we'll be discussing the Viper Gas and Viper Diesel rotary screw air compressors. Van Air's versatile product lines can be used in many different markets and applications. Today we'll be concentrating on the irrigation landscaping industry as well as the earth-piercing tool market and how our air compressors can benefit these industries. So let's get started. To familiarize yourself with the various products, let's briefly discuss some specifications of the Viper Gas and Diesel product lines. Both the Viper Gas and Diesel are rotary screw air compressors. Each can be configured with 3 air capability outputs, 60, 70, or 80 CFM and up to 150 PSI. The Viper Gas operates from a Honda 25 horsepower electronically fuel-injected gasoline engine, while the Viper Diesel uses a Tier 4 certified 24.8 horsepower Kubota diesel engine. There are several features and benefits of both machines, and we'll cover those as we go. But make no mistake, these units are more economical, more compact, better on fuel savings, and best of all, they're about half the cost of a 185 CFM tow-behind air compressor. So let's discuss this irrigation market. To properly blow out a sprinkler system, or better known as winterizing the lines, professionals will recommend you need a minimum of at least 20 to 50 cubic feet per minute of continuous air for flexible black polyethylene type piping. Larger landscaping designs where there is a more rigid PVC pipe system, say between 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch in diameter, will generally require more air volume. Lines that are smaller, such as 1/2 inch PVC, may need slightly less air. Van Air's Viper Gas and Diesel units are excellent choices because they utilize a rotary screw air compressor that gives the operator the benefit of a long, continuous amount of air. Yeah, sure, you can blow out sprinkler lines by zones, but by having the continuous air, you don't have to wait for the air compressor to pressurize, thus wasting valuable time and money. And while the Viper Gas is a cost-effective solution to the irrigation industry, it's powerful enough to run a 90-pound jackhammer in case you need to open up a concrete sidewalk or driveway and other heavy-duty applications, both on or off your truck. And with its optional wheel cart feature, it can easily be turned and maneuvered and loaded into a trailer. The Viper Diesel is equipped with an automatic variable speed control based on the amount of air that the unit demands when it's in use. This helps reduce noise and fuel consumption while still having the compressor on. It also has an auto engine shutoff and restart feature built right inside its smart technology to help increase fuel savings. And again, it's less than half the cost of that traditional 185 CFM tow-behind air compressor. So as you can see, these versatile units are ideal for winterizing sprinkler systems. Now, landscapers who need air-powered soil excavation tools will also love the benefits of the Viper product line to maintain tree health. These services may include sensitive air boring work, including vertical mulching, bare rooting, radial trenching, and soil aeration. Air spades are commonly used and utilize a supersonic nozzle that turns compressed air into a high-speed, laser-like jet that dislodges soil in a fraction of a second without damaging roots. These air spade nozzles are designed to operate optimally at 90 to 110 PSI, depending on the air hose length, which is typically 50 feet. Used in construction, landscaping, and renovation projects, another use for Van Air's Viper Gas and Diesel air compressors is for pneumatic backfill tampers. Ideally suited for compacting soil and asphalt, applications include foundation and pavement repair, utility pole installation, and temporary filling of holes. The term hardscaping is also used when talking about compacting soils for patio pavers or bricks. Softscaping is used for compacting soils for plants, shrubs, or other arbor situations. Air tamper models may vary, but typically have an air requirement of 40 to 50 CFM with a pressure of 90 to 100 PSI. Now let's turn our attention to how Vipers can be used with pneumatically powered earth-piercing tools. These piercing tools are also known as missiles, bullets, horizontal jackhammers, moles, whole hogs, and even pigs. Without the need for opening a typical trench or open hole excavation, these piercing tools are routinely used for boring under landscaping, sidewalks, driveways, and even roadways. They are commonly used for trenchless installations for a variety of underground applications, including water lines, utility piping, sewer laterals, electrical lines, telephone and cable lines, sewer conduits, and a host of others. Quite often, the application, known as stitching, is used to connect or stitch water lines, sewer lines, or fiber optics under existing sidewalks or driveways in residential areas without creating that trench. As an option, the Viper Diesel can be outfitted using a certified DOT trailer. The Viper Gas can come with an optional zero-turn cart. These two units have a small footprint and are extremely maneuverable to help you access job sites that you might typically not be able to service. Their footprints also help reduce the crew size and a disruption to traffic, neighborhoods, or other construction that may be happening. The versatile Viper Gas and diesel compressors have plenty of air power to push these pneumatic boring tools up to 4 inches in diameter, depending upon the size you need. Leading manufacturers often supply charts with these specifications as to how much air each tool may require. Keep in mind that while these charts show air consumption, industry professionals have expressed that it may take twice the CFM to reverse these tools out of the trenchless application being used. Tool size and application may vary, but typically we see that 2-inch tool requiring approximately 20 to 30 CFM and up to 110 psi, while a 3-inch tool needs approximately 30 to 40 CFM at that same 110 psi. Whether your trenchless application is for gas, electric, fiber optics, or telecom, or for irrigation winterization, the Viper Gas and Diesel rotary screw air compressors have the proven power needed to get the job done quickly, efficiently, and is cost effective. We hope this information was informative, but if you need additional information on these or any of our other products, contact Van Air, a Lincoln Electric company, or visit our website.